Hey guys, today I just got back from a place and I'll show you everything I got. So first, I got a Ghostface Funko Pop. And my brother Daniel wanted to do this Casper thingy. And I also have this comic book, this scary one. And last but not least, I have this, and I'm gonna open it and everything else. And yeah. Okay. Ooh. This is very cool. So, there's Jason Voorhees, Annabelle, Freddy Krueger, Danny, Torrance, Pennywise, and Regan. And I got Danny Torrance. I'm gonna show you him up close. And then I think we should open up this comic book and see what kind of pages there's. Creepy. Tales of suspense and horror. This is the first page, and this is stuff, and it says right here, Creep Show. I got a hankering for horror. There, and then here's the back. And Danny, my brother Daniel, wanted to put this in the car, so it doesn't have the DVD. But now you should open up the Ghostface. Ooh, it says the icon of Halloween in this side.